In this video, I'm going to give my first impressions on my new Black Bay 58925 with sterling silver case, and kind of give my feeling for the watch. My experience at buying it was very positive. I went to my AD. My AD was nice enough to hold the watch for me for almost a week, even with interest of other customers, and they really did me a solid. But yeah, overall, my first impressions of this watch, it's hard to put it in words when you have to kind of see it in person. Yeah, video does do it some justice, and I'll try my best to show you how nice it looks. But when I held it in my hands, I could feel the weight of the case, and it just felt like something special. And that's kind of what I was looking for. I bought this watch as like a 40th birthday present for myself. It just felt right. I was looking at a normal Black Bay 58. I was also looking at the Black Bay GMT, the Pepsi colored one, and it seemed, they seemed like solid watches. So what won me over was basically the case, the brushed finish of the case, how shiny it is due to the silver finish. It just really pops, and the color of the dial just seems, it just won me over. And after I held it, I put it on my wrist, I looked in the mirror, I was like, yeah, this is the one. So I felt like an instant connection to the watch. But let's see, obviously there are reports of these things having some tarnishing issues. I'm not terribly concerned about that, because just like anything else made out of silver, that is a potential issue. But I'm gonna take Tudor at their words. I'm gonna, that even if it does tarnish, it's probably it'll tarnish nicely, hopefully. But anyway, in the future, I'm gonna go ahead and report. If I do notice any changes, I'll report it. I'll be honest with my reporting. I will make a video, kind of updating how it looks over time. Again, I'm not gonna just make a video for the hell of it saying, hey, no changes, everything's good, unless a lot of people are asking me to give an update. I won't give an update unless I notice something to update about. I will also give a full review of this watch in the future. I kind of want to wear it. I want to experience it for a while, have it on my wrist. Maybe just get to, just live with the watch a while before I feel like that I can give you a full review of the watch. For right now, it's everything I ever wanted in a watch and then some. It would really help the channel a lot if you can like and subscribe. If you want to continue seeing content like this, I'm gonna really need your support. The more support I get, the more watches I can review, and the more content I can put out there. So let's just get into this here. So it's another Tudor, and it would be appropriate for me to unbox this with a Tudor. I did see it at the AD already, but this is the first time you guys are going to see it here on the channel. So I wanted to get something, since this is to help celebrate my 40th birthday. I wanted to just get something a little more special, a little more unique, and I think I made the right choice. I'm pretty sure when I was at the AD and I had it in my hands, I was like, yep, this is the one. So it's the Black Bay 58925. Now, so this is a sterling silver watch. When you see it in person, you kind of see how shiny it is and how different it is. It really, and the weight of it, and it's basically, all the weight is in the case. It's just, it feels special. It's just not a regular Black Bay 58. I wasn't sure about getting this watch until I had it in my hand, but I was pretty positive that this is the one I wanted. Another thing I like is the taupe dial. It's like a gray. It's a light gray. It's a very tasteful gray. It's not, I don't think I've seen many watches with this color, and it really goes well with the case finish, which is a nice brushed, not polished, it's just brushed, but I think it really helps. It really works well, the brushing on the case with this with this silver case material. Also, it's got a silver buckle as well. This isn't gonna be my full review video. I'm gonna make a longer video that goes into a little more detail of my thoughts of it, but this is kind of like my initial impressions. I'm still like marinating in how much this thing cost. You know, this wasn't a small purchase for me. There is the issue, which a lot of people have documented very well on YouTube, on the whole tarnishing gate or whatever, or a lot of tarnishing reporting. I guess we'll see. Obviously it can be polished out. A lot of people like the look of the tarnish, from what I've seen. I mean, I don't know. My thought was I was gonna give Tudor the benefit of the doubt. They say it's not supposed to tarnish. Maybe it was a bad batch, who knows? But I'm gonna see. I mean, obviously I have a 5-year warranty on this watch, so if it ever gets really bad, I can just I can take it in, they'll probably polish it for me. It'll look like new. Or pretty much any jeweler could do that. But I don't know, it could be interesting. Maybe the tarnishing will look cool. Maybe I'll get a good one where if it does tarnish, it's nice and even and it's cool. I mean, right now the finish is just spectacular. It's hard to put in words really how nice this is. Again, it feels super special, and you can really tell with the weight. There you can see what it costs there, and you can get a look at the item number on the tag. So yeah, definitely not a cheap watch. This is the most expensive watch I've ever bought by a large margin. But again, it feels special. I think it is special, and I think it will remain special for some time to come. I'll take some quick weights and measures real quick, and again, I'm going to document this watch. I'll try to, if I notice anything different, any tarnish going on, I'll document it and I'll provide an update in future videos. I'm gonna try to make ongoing content with this watch. So let's do a quick weight check on that. So we're looking at about almost 90 grams. You know, it's got substantial weight, just given that it is basically all the weights in the case. So I'm sure there's a ton of people that have done this, but there you go, about, yeah, just a hair over 39 probably. Let's get it. About 39 millimeters. Let's get the height here, 12.5. And let's get a quick lug to lug. Looking at about 46 millimeter lug to lug. So this watch would basically fit most people's wrists, I believe. And there's a nice wrist shot on my 7.25 inch wrist, or 18.4 centimeters. I honestly think this is like the perfect size. And you can see that shininess of the case, which is incredible, and the beautiful color of the dial. It's just really feels nice. I should also mention the leather feels nice and supple and very high quality. And then you get another shot of that beautiful silver buckle. There's a shot by the window. You can really see that silver color in the natural sunlight. And it's kind of overcast today. It's crazy, beautiful. If you have any questions about the watch, please leave them in the comments. It would really, really help the channel a lot. Especially if you appreciate content like this, with me reviewing, nice watches like these. It really helps the channel if you'd like to subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the better. The quicker I can, start making bigger videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.